The rise in sexual issues among individuals today can be attributed to the factors such as overwhelming busyness, heightened stress level, non-pranic food consumption, unorganized lifestyle, insufficient physical activities, and poor sleep qualities. The best way to get rid of all these problems is yoga practices. And once these problems solved, sexual issues, the disorders, the problems can be resolved its own. And our today's guidance is on this very topic. Today's belief is that nocturnal emissions, or in common language we say that nightfall, are normal part of growing up, and it doesn't cause any harm. It happens because of the rise of the level of testosterone hormone during puberty. But if it goes continuously, it becomes a mental disorder which causes problems later when the person reaches the adult life. And today's time, because our activities, our involvement is such where we are involved in wrong activities, our lifestyle is completely unorganized, due to which our energy is moving lower direction, downward direction, and we don't know how to raise this energy up. So we are again and again immersing ourselves into such activities which takes our all energies downward, which suck our energy, which makes us demotivated, unsatisfied in spiritual path, which makes us lost in our life. We lose our potential and our strength. But today's class is specially designed for those who lost hope. But yogic practices can give you these strength back. Yogic practices can bring your celibacy back. Any one of you or your known people who are suffering from any kind of sexual disorder, sexual dreams at night, mind is fully impure, rise in sexual desire a lot, and those who are suffering from the problem called impotence, this practice, this class today is very beneficial. Watch this class completely, learn the techniques and the yogic practices which gives you strength back. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Understand, we have 5 types of Vayu: Prana, Apana, Udan, Vyan, Saman. Apana Vayu, which is resided at below the navel, which control your sexual organs and the energy which is making these organs to function. If this apana is disrupted, if this apana is disturbed, our mind and body leads to such activities which takes our energy down, and we become sensitive to sexual desire. Our body demands and goes and run behind the short-term pleasure, due to which we take our mind and body to such activities or such gatherings where we lose our inner strength. And once we lose the inner strength, our life becomes horrible. But not anymore. Our today practice, I will be teaching you asana, kriyas, pranayama, which gives you strength back. Let's start the video and learn our practice to bring this celibacy back and bring that strength back. This video is for both male and female, both practitioners. Our first practice will be Surya Namaskar. I have made a separate video. I will not teach you today here. I will post the link in description. You check and learn the Surya Namaskar techniques. You will practice Surya Namaskar. Starting beginner practice will be 3 rounds regularly. After 1 month, you will add more, go for 3 more, 6 rounds. And after 2nd month, you will go 11 rounds. This is your 3-month journey to bring your celibacy back, bring your strength back. So sun salutation is the first practice that you will do. After finishing, you will take a first practice in sitting posture, which is called Mahabed Mudra. What you have to do is, you will take a right leg to the perineum, between the testes and the male body and anus door. In female, the genital area and the anus door. Between that, you will place the right heel. The male place the right heel, female place the left heel first. Okay, and that's how you will start the practice. So I will be starting from the right side, and then you are sitting on it. So basically you are creating the pressure at the perineum area. This is the Mooladhara area where this apana is strengthening, where the apana 2 points you have to work. And today class I will be focusing on these 2 points. The first point, we are pushing the apana vayu upward direction and strengthening it, learning how to strengthen the sphincter muscle, the area, the muscle which control your sexual organ. that muscle we have to strengthen, and our practice will be focusing on that. The second practice I'll be focusing on the center area, which is the navel area, which suck the apana vayu, the energy upward direction. Placing the heel under and sitting on it. Once you're sitting on it, some of you may feel pain also at the same time. You will feel pain on the ankle. Don't worry about it. You place a towel, folded towel under the ankle, and then you are sitting in it. And once you sit, see that the right foot goes under. Can you see that? And then the left thigh comes on top of the right foot. You are sitting on it like that. Now you may feel difficulties, but if you want your energy back, this is the way that I'm giving you, I'm showing you. You have to follow the same way. Now you are releasing the hand. If you cannot release both hands, the left hand remains outside, no problem. The right hand comes on the center. If you are the one who can still go with the both hands together, come front. And now you are inhaling, lifting your chest. And when you inhale, lift your chest, you are elongating the spine, but you are not lifting the buttocks up. You are pressing the center part, the perineum area at top of the heel. And then you are elongating the spine. That stretch allows the sushumna to be activated, and which takes the apana backward, upward direction. The energy goes back and you strengthen that lower body. Okay. Now after inhaling, you're holding the breath with antar kumbhak and watching third eye. So basically both eyes goes to top between the eyebrows, and this is how you're watching, holding the breath. At least start with the 10 seconds, and then as you exhale, you are exhaling chin down, complete. Then again you are inhaling, belly will expand, you will focus between the eyebrows, and then you are holding the breath inside 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you are exhaling. This. You will practice this. Start with the 7 rounds every morning. Then you will switch other side. Okay? Then the same with the left side. So same, you will place the heel between the anus and the testes, and then placing the thigh on top, and then you are holding the foot like that. You can even place the cushion under the buttock if you feel that you cannot sit longer. You place the cushion under the buttock. And now inhale, holding the breath, watching third eye. Exhale. And after 7 rounds, you are releasing and then coming to the center. That's our first practice. Right after this practice, the second practice which strengthen your pelvic muscles, the second practice which strengthen your lower body and stronger, make the muscle stronger, which is loosed and which is taking all the energy downward direction. And that's why this is very important practice for teenagers. Those who are now, and especially this is a responsibility of all parents to give all these techniques which I am showing you. You also practice this, your kids also will practice the same. And this will keep your brahmacharya safe. This will keep your celibacy safe. It doesn't mean that you will not be enjoying having any interest in your family life. It will make the family life better. It will save the energy. It will give you focus, improve your mood. The happiness will improve, motivation will come, and you will be focused to the target. So the second practice is Brahmacharya Asana. The name itself, celibate pose, Brahmacharya Asana. But I'm not giving you the final Brahmacharya Asana. We'll be doing the basic variation of it. So you can learn this and then you can continue. You are placing the hands sideways like a Dandasana, like that, spreading the fingers, okay? And legs are little separate, hips width apart. When legs are separate, you are pressing it, and now you are trying to lift your right leg up first and then holding it. When you're lifting the right leg, I want you to press the opposite heel, the left heel, down strongly, and then you are lifting the buttocks also. See that? The right leg up, the buttock off the ground, and the left heel touches the floor. Exhale, down. That's how. The right heel now, you will switch. The right heel go down, we press the buttocks, press the hands. Now lifting, inhale, left up, and the buttock. Holding here 10 seconds. Exhale, release. Then again inhale, lift, holding the breath, and release. Second variation right after that, little advance. Then this one, if you can, You will bring the toes pointing forward. The second brahmacharya. Now pressing the palm. If you feel that you cannot reach the ground because some of your arms may be short, because physical proportion is different with every person, right? You can place something under the palm, maybe folded blanket to elevate your palm so that you can reach the ground and you can have a base stronger. Now toes forward, inhale, lift the buttock up. Looking front, 10 seconds you maintain, squeezing the core. And from here, exhale, release. Again inhale, hold the breath. Exhale. Now once you are comfortable, then you are inhale, lifting. 10 seconds, exhale. Inhale, lifting. 10 seconds, exhale, and then down. You are alternatively doing it 5 times this also. After this practice, the next practice is Ashwani Mudra. This is the best practice. Ashwani Mudra pushes the Apan Vayu upward. For that, you have to come to, again, Siddhasana. For that, placing the heel, again the same position, perineum position. Okay? But the right leg will remain half, because in the beginning, maybe it will be difficult for you to do full Siddhasana. I want you to do Ardha Siddhasana. In Ardha Siddhasana, the right heel comes right after the left one. You are placing the hands onto the knees. In Ashwani Mudra, the name gives the meaning. Ashwa means horse, horsepower. You get horsepower. You see the engines in a bike or in the car. It's a horsepower. Means the power of the horse. The powerful animal is a horse, fastest animal. Stamina is strong. So you get that stamina back. You get that energy back. So this practice is especially for those who are having wrong dreams at night, nightfall, especially teenagers or those who are not able to succeed in brahmacharya. To strengthen the brahmacharya, this practice is very important. For that, you will do closing the eyes. After closing the eyes, you're focusing on the anus door. I'm not teaching you the full Ashwani Mudra. I want you to first learn the basic steps. So today is focused on basic steps. Once you will master this, later you will continue to the second step, which later in coming days I will share with you. You're focusing on the anus door, and then you are inhaling. While inhaling, you are squeezing the anus door. It's like you are holding like when you go to the toilet, and if you want to pass the urine, if you want to hold the urine, what you do? You squeeze, right? The same feeling, same action you will do now while inhaling. Inhale, you take the universal air, the Vayu, the prana inside, and with this action of Ashwani Mudra, when you squeeze the anus, you are holding, locking the door, allowing this prana to reside to the lower belly and heal this area again. Okay? And then after that, when you exhale, you're releasing it. You inhale, squeezing the anus. You exhale, releasing it. You inhale, squeezing tightly. Exhale, releasing it 20 times. The next pose in the same category, in a prone position asana, Salabha asana. For that, you will lie down on your belly. And when you are in the belly, that is again one more important pose to strengthen the pelvic floor. You are lying like that, legs are straight, okay? You are keeping the hands side, head down. Inhale, right leg goes up as high as possible. And now you are staying here 10 seconds. Exhaling, you are leaning down. Similarly, inhale left. 10 seconds. Exhale, you are releasing down. Inhale 10 seconds. After holding, exhale down. Similarly, left side inhale and exhale. That's the first variation. Once you're done with this variation, the second variation where the both legs goes up. That's more advanced one, but you have to do this. Where you are placing the hands down, palm facing can be downward, can be upward. See which one is comfortable for you. Legs are together.
Take a deep inhalation, lift the both legs up. Holding here for 5 seconds. And then release.
Practice this 5-second holding with the both legs together in Salab Asana. This you will do 5 times. Once you complete these 2 practice in a prone position, the last 2 poses, which are also the best pose for this energy to come back to the upper body, to move upward side, that is Sarvangasana and Shirsasana. I have made a separate videos, detailed video, so I will not be giving you here, otherwise the video will become longer, but I post the video description. Check the steps and learn the techniques properly. These are the set of asanas, and the same way as I taught you now, you will practice every day for 3 months. You will see the result. Sleep will improve. You will see the focus will improve. Feel very kind of motivated. You will feel very excited. You will feel that spiritually you are growing. You will feel that energy is coming back. Senses will be in control. The mind will be in control. You will not be able to take your mind again to the wrong activities. Everything, the sattvic change will come. And the last practice, which is one pranayam you have to do, is BHRAMARI pranayam. For BHRAMARI pranayam, you place the fingers, the thumb especially, to close the ears like that, the flap of the ear. You are covering the eyes. The basic variation of the BHRAMARI, I am not using the mudra, which is Shanmukhi mudra. I will again post the video, the detailed video again in the description. But for now, you will learn this technique here, placing the hands, and now inhale, exhale, keeping the tongue center, lips are together, making a sound. BHRAMARI pranayam, longer extension, longer exhalation, and you will do 10 times. So this is the set specially designed for those who are facing the challenge of today's time, those who are facing the challenges such as impotence, such as sexual disorder, the nightfall, premature ejaculation, all these sexual issues. These are the set of asana you will do. Try, and let's take this energy command, take this mind command, and leads your life to the spiritual growth. I believe you understood the video. Share this video who require today's time, and you also practice, teach to your kids. Give them this gift, and I will see you again in the next video. Namaste.